Let's talk about cats. A cat is a small animal. Cats are popular pets. Cats have soft fur all over their bodies. The fur can be many different colors. A cat has long whiskers on its face. Whiskers help the cat feel things close to it. Cats have soft paws. Their feet are very quiet when they walk. Cats have sharp claws on their paws. A cat uses its claws for climbing and playing. Cats make a sound called a meow. A cat meows when it wants food, water, or when it wants to play. When a cat is happy and relaxed, it makes a soft sound called a purr. You can feel the purr when you hold it. Cats sleep a lot. They take many short naps during the day and night. Cats eat meat. Most people give their cats special cat food. Cat food comes in cans or in dry bags from the store. Cats love to play. They chase small toys, balls, and anything that moves quickly. There are some places called cat cafes. You can go inside, have a drink, and spend time with friendly cats. Some cats live indoors all the time. Some cats go outside every day. Cats are quiet and gentle animals. It is easy to see why so many people love having a cat at home.